Welcome to Tech Brothers. In this video we're going to learn how to assign a test case to a tester using TFS 2013 Web Access. Let's say that you're a team lead in your test team, so you wanted to assign a particular test case to a tester. How would you do that? You're going to learn in this video. So we're going to go in my server right here, and we're going to go ahead and open Internet Explorer and connect with our TFS. Here's in my case is Tech Brothers TFS right here, and the first view you will get is here is a team project. If you don't if you have access to Team Foundation server and you're not connected with any team project, you can click on browse and go to collection and select your team where you're a member of. So we're going to go ahead and click on Tech Brothers team. Here's the page, and you can see up here this is the home page, and then code, work, build, and test. In order to assign certain tests, we can click on basically queries and go to query our test cases from here and assign that test case to somebody else. But we're going to go ahead and click on test tab. It's always a good idea if you're a tester to work in test tab than any other view. So this is my test plan. Let's say if you wanted to go ahead and get your test plan, you can click right here. There would be a lot of test plans, and let's say that you work in a complex environment and you see some test plans right here. And you wanted to look for a particular test plan, then you can query that test plan and get that right here. So let's say that this is our test plan and we have one test case right here, and there are a few things that you can, a few ways that you could do this particular task, assign this test case to a tester. You can right click up here and you can click assign tester. And in this case, if a tester is already assigned and you wanted to reassign that, and you wanted to make this your test case active again and assign it to tester, because that bug that you have created before, it was fixed, and you wanted to assign it to a tester, the same tester again, and wanted to make sure that if he runs through the test, that bug is really fixed. The other way that you could do is click up here and click right here. It says open task, or you can double click on that particular task. Up here, this is the task that's a test case that's opened. I'm sorry, I was saying task, but it's a test case. So the test case is open. Right here is in status it says assign to. If you wanted to assign it to different tester rather than the previous tester, you're gonna go ahead and click on this little arrow, and it'll pull up all the tester and all the users that are assigned to this particular project up here. And if it doesn't, you can put a name up here and click on verify, and then it'll verify against your Active Directory, and you can go ahead and click on that. If that person needs to have basically access to Team Foundation server, if it doesn't, you will get an error. So let's say that I wanted to change it. Before that it was administrator, and I wanted to change it to cluster admin, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on cluster admin. And once everything is done, if you haven't changed anything, let's say that I'm gonna go ahead and make it a priority 3. If you haven't changed anything, is these up here, these buttons are not gonna appear for you. Save, close, and cancel. Cancel will always be there, by the way, but you can go ahead, once you made all your changes, you're gonna go ahead and click save and close. And let's also make this task active, so we're gonna go ahead and click that, and we're gonna go ahead up here, reset test to active, So this test is active, and now it's assigned to that particular tester, and he's gonna go through and run that particular test and see if it passes again. And I hope this video helps.